Now, we will add your style to the message, enabling or disabling certain features on your chatbot based on your business. From the Peasy Sales app dashboard view, scroll through the Quick Function section at the top of the screen. Scroll left until you see the Chatbot Session Quick Function. Tap Setup. Step 1. Set Greeting Message. Start setting up your chatbot by configuring the greeting message. Make sure your message is concise and clear. For your convenience, we have provided sample sentences as well as some bracketed terms for inserting your business information that has already been set in the Peasy system. You'll notice we've included a bracket term to automatically insert your business hours, so you don't have to manually list your operating times. You only need to edit the sentence to add a personal touch to the chatbot's interaction with customers. Want your chatbot to share a Google Maps link for your restaurant location? Tick this small box and enter the label name. If you select this, the system can automatically generate the Google Maps link. Want the chatbot to help customers check their order status? Tick the small box on the left and enter the button label name. Want the chatbot to handle customer menu orders? Tick this small box and enter the button label. Once done, you can preview the message structure for the WhatsApp message view to customers. If you're satisfied, click Next. Step 2. Choosing your menu categories. Highlight menu categories that typically interest your customers. Choose from categories you've previously created on the Catalog Items screen. You can select up to 12 categories. Prepare a message to highlight special categories or assist customers in selecting any they might have missed. For example, popular items, chef's recommendations, etc. You'll see the message structure in the preview section. Do not delete any bracketed terms to ensure the system displays information correctly based on your system settings. Once done and satisfied, click Next. Step 3. Ordering from online menu. This is where you set up the chatbot to share your online menu link based on the category selected by the customer. Just customize the sentence to add a personal touch to the chatbot's interaction. The message structure is visible in the preview section. Again, don't remove any bracketed terms to ensure system data displays correctly. Once satisfied, click Next. Step 4. Set your store address. This section allows the chatbot to share your restaurant's Google Maps link. If you don't have a physical restaurant, you can deactivate the option to provide the restaurant address to customers in Step 1 of the chatbot setup. This setting becomes accessible only when you've enabled the option for the chatbot to share your address. Here, you can add parking instructions. You may also edit the sentence to personalize the chatbot's message to customers. Message structure is visible in the preview section. Do not delete any bracketed terms to ensure correct data display based on your system settings. Once satisfied, click Next. Step 5. Order Status Response. This is where you set up the chatbot's message to inform customers of their order status. Again, edit the sentence to personalize the interaction. You can see the message preview in the designated area. Do not delete any bracketed terms for system accuracy. Once satisfied, click Next. Step 6. Agent. This is where you configure the chatbot's message for when customers request assistance from a human agent. Edit the sentence to personalize the experience. You can preview the message in the preview section. Once done and satisfied, click Next. Step 7. Closing Message. This section allows the chatbot to send a closing message to customers. Here, you can enable a few functions, such as redirecting the customer to the main menu, talking to a human agent, ending the chatbot interaction. You must check the box on the left for each function to enable it for your business. Then, enter the button label name for each function. Set the message inbox to Default. Check the message preview at the bottom of the screen. Once satisfied, click Submit. Woohoo! Your chatbot is now ready. Let's try it out. Click Try Chatbot. At the starting message, you'll see the sentence you previously customized during the chatbot setup displayed in the WhatsApp message. The category list you selected during setup is also shown on WhatsApp. Customers can tap on any category. The system will then send a specific link related to that category, which the customer can click to open in their browser. The system will also send a closing message according to the wording and button label you set in Step 7 of the chatbot setup. When the customer clicks the link, they will be taken directly to your online restaurant page to purchase from the category they selected in WhatsApp earlier. Customers can choose menu items by tapping on images and selecting the quantity they want to order. The same purchase process shown at the start of the video applies here. Once the customer completes their order, their online restaurant screen will display their total order ID number, and the order status. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the system setup required to get your customer service bot up and running.